I am Pavan. Now I am going to explain mini ATC program. The program is simple parcel for a small language called mini ATC. It checks whether the entire program follows correct grammar rules. Main purpose, the program validates statements like variable declaration int a, assigning a equal to 5 plus 2, print statement like print a. The program must start with begin and end with end. Important parts, header files. These libraries are used input output strings handling, character checking exit function like hash include HDOH. It is header files, error function, and other like helper function and expressing parsing and statement function. Here program structure, and after all this the output will come or valid or invalid. The program is now running. Now here we get a valid or invalid output. Identifier validation program. This program checks whether a given identifier is valid C language. Example like plain text ABC1 is valid. Then invalid statement is 1 ABC. The main logic of this function is to find the valid identifier. First character must rule one first character. If ABC is the character and it will give the correct output. For wrong, first number will come means it is wrong ABC, 1 ABC. Rule 2, remaining characters after the first letter allowed, numbers are allowed, special symbols are not allowed. Here the main function is scanf, and then the if statement is main function output. Here valid, if the statement is valid it will give valid, and if the statement is invalid it will give the invalid identifier. Here I am now going to put the name in my output Pavan, and it will give the valid identifier. After if we give the invalid like 1 PAVIN, and it will give the invalid identifier. Here, this is the output of the second program. The third program is lexical analyzer program. This program performs a lexical analysis. It reads a mini ATC program and break it into a tokens like keywords, identifier, numbers, operators, and delimiters. Key functions are is keywords, checks words like begin, end, int, print. Here next, the operator function. Operator function will check the symbols like arithmetic operations, plus, minus, multiplication, division, or equal. Now delimiter function checks the semicolon or parenthesis. Input reading f get test reads the multiple lines until end is found. Lexical analysis loop. While int I not equal to 0, this program scans character by character token identification. If alphabet is alpha, it may keyword or identifier. If digit is came, it becomes number token. If operator prints operator, if delimiter prints delimiter. Now I am going to tell the invalid character. If unknown symbol is found, valid equal to 0, program become invalid. With now we are going to explain the output. Here I will run the program and enter the inputs of mini ATC, and it will shows the program is valid when if no error is found, and it will show the program invalid if error is found. This is the output of the third program. Thank you.